Hello friends, this is Gokul from GokulTech. Today in this video I am going to show you top 3 time saving techniques in Excel if you are working with Excel day-to-day life. Let's start with the today's one. The first one which we are going to see is adding a bookmark. So what is this bookmark? How it will going to help? If you are working with multiple sheets in a single workbook, if you can see there is multiple dots available over here, which means there are a lot of sheets which is hidden behind. If I go back to or navigating to the previous sheets, my existing sheets get vanished in between inside the other way. So to overcome that, there is a simple hidden feature available in Excel. Every day we are seeing something called this as name box, but we don't know, we are using it for just giving the cell range or something. Instead that, if I give sheet name over here, right? So this is my book sheet, right? I'm giving it as book sheet. Why? Because this is a bookmark sheet, so I'm just giving it as book sheet. Hit enter. Now if I'm in this profit sheet, if I want to navigate to that bookmark sheet, right, just click here and select. So it automatically navigating or taking me to the particular landing to the particular sheet where I have the mentioned as a book sheet. So this name, if you want to change, you can change it in later part by name manager, which is available in the formulas bar. You can see it is available over here. Now if you have any existing tables also available in the whole workbook, you can directly see. If you click on this drop down, there is a table called table 2 on sales data, which is available in our workbook. So if I click on table 2, it is automatically taking to the table 2 where it is available. And now I am going back to book sheet and it will taking me to the bookmark sheet where we have to landed there. Now in case in future I don't want this bookmark, what I can do is go to formulas, click on the name manager, and you can see what are the bookmarks already available. Now I don't want this particular bookmark on book sheet. Instead that, if I want to rename it as bookmark, I can do the same by renaming it as bookmark, or else I can click on delete. It automatically remove that bookmark from the workbook, and there is no bookmark available over here. So this is how we can navigate with multiple sheets which is available in workbook within a fraction of seconds. The second step which we are going to see is forecasting, which is forecasting a sheet. This is most useful for people who are working in the analytics. So how this is gonna work? I have taken a data set of sales from January 1st of 2022 till the end of 2023 December, which means almost 2 years data I have. Now if I want to do the forecast for this, I have to go with multiple combinations of formulas and inbuilt functions to do that. To overcome that, there is a method of forecasting a sheet which is available in data tab, and you can see there is an option called forecast sheet. How to do that? Select the data wherever you want to apply the forecast. So I'm selecting the date and total price, and I'm clicking on the forecast sheet. So automatically this will create a worksheet or a chart kind of thing. It will help me to give me the forecast for the number of days. And if you see in the bottom, there is something called forecast end, which means till when you need the forecast. You can adjust it by the simple calendar option available over here. So I need forecast for next 3 months. So till February 29, I need this forecast to be there. So the orange color one is the forecasted value or the price which you are going to get in next 3 months till February 24. This blue lines ones are the source which is available. So based on this value, the historical data which is available in blue color line, based on that, this seasonality, this particular orange line is created automatically in Excel. You can see there is an option called options where you can find conference interval. So how much ever the conference you want to do, it will help you to do. Now if I remove this conference interval, you can see there is a variance, and if I click on the conference interval, there will be change in value as well. So this is how this forecast sheet is work, and click on create. It will create a table along with the chart. So this chart works as a normal chart, and what are the things which we used to do? We can do as usual. The chart title we can add it as forecast, and normally how we will customize the chart, we can do that. And in addition to that, you can see lower bound total price and upper bound conference price is there. So how this is to be written, how this is to be used. If you scroll down from January 2nd or till the, from January 2nd of this particular 2024, what is my lower conference bound state? So they have given us 59. Maybe it will go to minus 160, or it will be in the range of 279. So it will be written, it can be read as minus 160 to 279. So that is the range between my forecast value will get automatically added. So this is how the forecast analysis or forecast sheet will help you to analyze the data in short span of time based on the confidence interval level percentage which we are giving. The third method which is available is quick analysis sheet, quick analysis function. So what is this quick analysis all about? You can do press Control Q, it will automatically show a few formatting options or charts, totals, sparklines, or whatever it's available on the down in the bottom, right? So if I click on the chart, it will give me the chart which I want to insert over here. So formatting, if I click on data bars, my data bars is getting filled according to the values which is available. Even I can customize this. Just click on Control Q again, or else colors we can able to change. If I want to, if I want to insert a spark lines, right? If I click on this line, he'll give me the spark lines according to my value. So high point or the lowest one, first point, last point. So accordingly, whatever we have the values, right, it will help me to customize based on this quick analysis tool. This quick analysis tool will help you in a lot of ways. Even if you can insert the totals. If I click on total, average, running totals, if I want to calculate the running totals for this one, it will easy to create a running total for this particular total number of units sold, or the price, or the commission value which is we have spent to the agents. So these are all the three time saving functions which is already available in Excel, which help you to reduce lot of time when we are using day-to-day life. The very first one which you have seen is about adding a bookmarks. The second one is about forecasting the sheet or forecast method, and the third one is which you have seen last is the quick analysis. Hope you have understood this concept clearly. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Have a great day.